My name is Sammy. This book is called Disaster Strikes Tornado Alley. The genre of this book is realistic fiction. My opinion is that I like this book. I like this book because it is based on weather, and I want to be a meteorologist after I retire from football. Wyatt is caring, helping, and he likes fishing. He has a horse and a dog. Allison is nice, caring, loving, loves animals, and loves Wyatt a lot. Duncan is a dog and is furry, caring, loving, strong, fun, nice, friendly, and helpful. The problem of this book is a tornado hits Allison, Jack, Wyatt, and Duncan, and Licorice, and Jackson, and I can't remember the other kid. Joshua is the kid's name. And they get hit by a tornado in Oklahoma. I would recommend this book for you guys to read because it is great. So have fun reading this book. Because a lot of people like tornadoes hitting. Well, nobody likes a tornado hitting them because tornadoes not fun. They are bad. So, if you find a tornado, find shelter. Goodbye.